she is. We're home. Goddamn moonscape. All right, we're back at the Hitachi again. Let's hope that this sucker cranks back up. Bull's watching me. Hopefully, don't come over here. All right, get back into the tooth. Didn't even check if there's spiders this time. All right, state of the channel update, 2023. Back in the Hitachi tooth. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say. I'm probably gonna scale back uploading this year. I know I said that last year, but I still went ahead and pretty much uploaded, at least every other week. I did my monthly, probably 1.5 times every week, pretty much all last year. I know I had some gaps, but anyway, basically haven't filmed anything for about 2 months, and then just filmed a bunch of stuff today. It's middle of January, but yeah, just been taking a break. I got a lot of other stuff I need to do, personal stuff I need to do, that I kind of need time to do. And everything that I film on the channel is all my mechanical hobby. Also, I have laryngitis, so if it sounds like I have laryngitis, it's because I have laryngitis. I got some personal stuff I got to do that's like semi work professional related. Also with my other channel, the biology channel, which is semi work related. So I'm probably going to focus on that a lot. It's first half of the year. I mean, I wrote a book during COVID. And I still haven't published the damn thing. It's just been sitting there needing to be proofread for like 1.5 years on my dresser. And I just haven't been in the right headspace to just sit down and like actually proofread it. So I need to do that and I need to work on it. I've been writing a research manuscript. And I thought it was going to end up being like a 6-page thing. And I'm on like page 17 now. And I'm in the introduction still. So that's going to end up being like a 35-page thing. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is I'm going to be busy like all this year, especially with work. My work schedule is getting even busier. So I don't know how much time I'm going to have for the channel. I'm definitely going to get the Corvette running this year. Dad had hip surgery a couple weeks ago. So I'm waiting for him to get better because I really want to work on it with him. And I need a second person to take the hood off. So to take the hood off to do the radiator. So I've just taken that as a sign that I just need to whoa up. And we'll wait. We'll just take a 6 months hiatus and then go back to that when he's done. Plus, we have to work on a bunch of stuff on the house that has been waylaid for over a year because of his hip. Previously thought it was his knee. Now we know it was his hip. And after he had the surgery, all his pain went away. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to say for Stay of the Channel. I usually take this end of the year when I finally have time off to just take time and reflect. Haven't been in the best headspace. This winter, usually I'm in a really good mood all over the winter break, but I had to basically work through all of Christmas break, or all of New Year's break and all of Christmas break, so that was not great. Didn't leave me in the right place, but we're over that now, and back to trying to be productive and stop being sick and overworked and stressed and losing sleep, and anyway, y'all know how it is, and I'm fat. I got this guy going on. I need to lose about 20 pounds. But anywho, yeah, that's the State of the Channel. I'm gonna scale back probably. I mean, Massey's basically done. I've been driving her I've been using her as a daily driver more or less, as much as I drive anything any much the same day, whatever words were that was supposed to be. I alternate between driving it, the Jeep, and the truck based off of what I need to do that day at work. And I have not had a single damn issue with that thing since. After I did the injectors, it has just been bang up reliable nonstop. I mean, other than all the stuff that was already wrong with it, like, the vacuum shutoff and all that stuff. But I mean, it's just been great. I mean, all the cars are reliable right now. I mean, that's the first in the entire time I've been doing this. There's always been something wrong with something. But yeah. Gonna get that Corvette done. Lord willing, I'm gonna get one of those boats in the water. I know it's been like 2 years, but they're just sitting there not doing anything. That's one of those things where it's like, I gotta have somebody out there with me, like watching me, because I don't want to end up in the ocean. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I got my boating license and all that shit. I've been preparing. I've been working on it slowly, but it's just a I have to take a weekend out, go put it in the water, and just do it. And I've just had so much other stuff going on that I haven't. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, stuff's going to happen. It's just going to happen a little bit less, a little bit slower. Quality is not going to improve. It's probably also going to continue to nosedive, because that's just what it is. So yeah, that is my state of the channel end of the year 2022 update from inside the Hitachi tooth. Maybe one day we will work on this thing. Probably not. Oh God, I thought I was going to get away. It's not the bull I have to worry about. It's my arch nemesis, the donkey. The bull doesn't even. The bull is making way for the donkey. All right, I'm gonna go. Bye. Like and subscribe or whatever.